Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Good day to well. I am Hasibullah sir. Before we present something special today's topic. Today's topic is about me. My certificate name is Hasibul Hassan. My family and friend call me Hasibul. My nickname is Ronnie. You are call me Ronnie. I'm a student. I completed my BSc Engineering in 2026 and in Intake Affiliated Boutiques. I got first division and my special subject and was weight processing or chemical engineer. I live in a nuclear family. There are 5 members in my family. I have 2 sisters and me. My father is taking care of my land and my mother is a housewife. She is take care of my family. My elder sister is married and my younger sister is a student. I live in my hometown is Pabna and I was born and brought up here and it is a small and a popular town and under the Rajshahi division nearby Kolkata and the communication system of my town and is really standard and it is famous for different kind of foods, vegetables and sweets. There are many beautiful places in Pabna and the most remarkable nuclear power plant and hunting village. And my aim in life is a successful person and in my life. Because I want to serve the people through my profession. I must struggle a lot of race my goal because there is a no shortcut way to success. And in my leisure time, I would prefer playing with my friend and taking physical exercise, etc. My hobby is gardening, newspaper and walk and that's all for me for the timing. Thanks a lot for your kind attention. Hope to see you with another topic. Till then, take care.